New York Private Investigator Bond. What is a $10,000 bond for private investigators? A $10,000 bond is a type of financial guarantee required by the state of New York for individuals seeking to become licensed private investigators. This bond serves as protection for clients and the public against any potential misconduct or negligence on the part of the private investigator. Why is it necessary? The primary purpose of the $10,000 bond is to ensure that private investigators operate ethically and within the bounds of the law. By obtaining this bond, private investigators commit to adhering to professional standards and conduct. It provides a layer of assurance to clients that they will receive reliable and lawful services from licensed individuals. How does it protect clients? Imagine hiring a private investigator to conduct surveillance on a potentially fraudulent business partner or to gather evidence for a custody case. Without the assurance of the $10,000 bond, clients might be hesitant to trust the investigator with sensitive information or rely on their findings. However, with the bond in place, clients can rest assured that they have recourse in case the investigator fails to deliver on their obligations or engages in misconduct. Acquiring the bond. To obtain the $10,000 bond required for private investigators in New York, individuals must typically work with a surety bond provider. A surety bond is a three-party agreement involving the principal, the private investigator, the obligé, the state of New York, and the surety company, the bond provider. The process of acquiring the bond usually involves the following steps. Application. The private investigator submits an application for the bond to a surety bond provider. The application may require personal and professional information, as well as a credit check. Underwriting. The surety company assesses the risk associated with issuing the bond to the private investigator. Factors such as credit history, experience in the field, and any past legal issues may influence the underwriting process. Bond issuance. Upon approval, the surety company issues the $10,000 bond to the private investigator. The investigator is then required to submit the bond along with their license application to the appropriate regulatory authority in New York. Premium payment. The private investigator pays a premium to the surety bond provider. The premium is typically a percentage of the total bond amount and is based on factors such as the individual's creditworthiness and the perceived risk. Maintaining the bond. Once obtained, it's essential for private investigators to maintain their $10,000 bond throughout their licensure period. This entails keeping up with premium payments and complying with the terms and conditions outlined in the bond agreement.